This is what we're going to build today. It's just a rustic shelf that I've got on the back side of my barn just to store items on. And it's made out of some rough sawn lumber that I cut on my sawmill. So let's get started in the shop and we'll talk about how to make these brackets. Alright, so I cut a notch out that will fit the board that supports our shelf. And now we're going to get this nailed on. It helps if you put a support that's the same thickness as this right here. Just square and straighten it up. Now I cut a brace that would go on here to brace this. It's at a 45-degree angle. All right, now I'm cutting the braces, and from long point to long point, they are 22 3/4. And I cut one, and I'm just using it as a template to cut the rest of them. Get it nailed on. Put some glue down. Alright, I'll just finish up making these. Alright, I've just measured out, and I'm going to put the first bracket here, which is 16 inches from the end, and the other one's 16 inches from the end, and then I'm going to put one right in the middle. And I'm using my 2x4s run this way to hold this wall up. So that's what I'm using to attach this to. Alright, so that's got it all put up. I just got to get some, start storing some junk up on here. So I hope this was helpful to you, gave you some ideas on how you might make a shelf that, you know, this isn't a beautiful thing, but if you just got an area where you just need to store stuff in a storage building or something like that, this is probably a good option for you. Thank you for watching.